Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we'll see. Before that, I want to tell you one thing, guys. Guys, I have created Node.js APIs. Okay, you can see, guys. Here I have covered all the basics. Then how we can connect our APIs with the MongoDB database. Then here we have created CRUD APIs. Means all the APIs, guys, like create API, delete API, update it. API, that all API I have created here, guys. Okay, and get API also. Then how here I have created a CRUD operation like CRUD APIs in Node.js, and here I have covered how we can use that in MVC pattern, that is model view controller. In that pattern, how we can use that I have done, guys. Means I have shown. So I will request you guys just watch this all the four videos or this also, guys. You will get all the things regarding Node.js. I'm telling you, guys, and you will be able to create APIs in Node.js. So these are very important videos, guys. Okay, so in this only, guys, we'll see one more video. Means one error you will face, guys, that is CORS error. Okay, so that error only today we will see what is that and why we get that CORS error, that we will see, guys. Okay, so for that, what I have done, guys, I have created, means whatever the APIs I have created now, for that, guys, I have done some UI also, that is by using React.js. So here my front end will be React.js and the back end will be Node.js. Okay, that only I'll show you, guys. So what I will do, I'll go here. So see, guys, here is my React CRUD APIs. Means whatever the APIs I have created in this video, that by using that APIs only I have done this front end design, guys. Okay, by using that APIs. And here is my APIs. So whatever things I told here, guys, so that API only are here. Okay, and for this also, guys, video will come soon. Means how we can integrate Node.js API in React. Okay, that video also is going to come soon only, guys. So stay tuned to my channel. And already everything is ready, just I have to create some part, and some part is pending, guys. After that I will launch that videos also. So stay tuned to my channel. Okay, so what I will do, guys, here I'll run this first. Okay, so I'll show you what type of error it will be. npm run dev. Okay, so because I have to show you error also, otherwise you will not get the things. Okay, so it is running. So I'll show you here, guys, how the API. You can see, guys, I have called here API. Okay, quite backend URL. So how to do this and all. This is, see, guys, here it is my in .env file I have used here, my localhost, and only I'm using here. Okay, so I have done all the securities and all, guys, for this code. So you will you will get very easily, guys, these all things. So it is running. So parallelly I'll run this also, that is my Node.js API is run. Both we need to run. Okay, so npm run dev API code and front end, both code we need to run, guys. After that only we can see the front end UI and all. So here it is also running, here also. Okay, we'll see which port it will take. So guys, one more thing I'll tell. Here you can see, here this is my port, guys. This is my front end port. Okay, so whatever the port I'm taking for this React.js, that port only I'm using here, guys, for connection purpose. Okay, so why, I don't know, it is taking so much time. So guys, if you have question regarding that videos, then guys, please comment in comment box. And if you want to improve me something, then please, guys, you can comment that also. Okay, because if you give me any output input, now it will be easy for me to do improvements, guys. Okay, so you can see, guys, this is my URL. Okay, so same URL what I have done, guys, I have taken that URL here, you can see. Okay, so what I'll do, guys, just copy this. Here is my UI, front end is there, guys. I'll come here and paste it here. Till then, guys, I'll tell you one more things, guys. Here I have created the razor integration in Laravel 10 with with all the backends and all, guys, with the database, how we can storing all the transactions and all in my database. Means customer transaction, everything is there, guys. So it will be covered in part 1 and part 2. It is there, guys. Please watch this video. Here also you will learn the backend things, guys. Okay, even front end also. Fine, so you can see, guys, here. Okay, so this is my localhost. Okay, So you can see guys, this is my UI. If I go here, I can update. Okay, so here you can see guys, I'm getting network error. Okay, if I go again here, I'm getting one network error. Okay, so that only we'll see guys, what is that. So network, so you can see guys, I'm creating an edit, so I'm getting here network error. Okay, so I'll go in my console. So here we'll see what is that error. Okay, so here you can see guys, it has been blocked by CORS policy. Okay, so because of CORS policy, I'm not able to update the data. You can see guys here. Okay, so this CORS policy, why it is coming guys, this is cross origin guys, it is a problem. So you can see guys, the port of this and the port of this both are different, right? So they are not matching guys, so it is not able to fetch that data. Okay, so to solve this error, what we need to do, just go here and type here, we need to add cross middleware. Okay, just type here cross middleware. You can see guys, still it is what is happening. I'll go in update crud. Okay, so cross middleware, just go here, express course middleware, open that. Here you will get it to install. You can see guys, here it is npm install course. Okay, just copy this, go in your backend here. Okay, it should be installed in EPS guys. Okay, so just come out from here and install it, npm install course. Okay, so after that, what we need to do guys, after that we need to add this here. You can follow this steps guys. Here you can see guys, we need to require course, we need to do this, and we need to do this also guys. App.use middleware also we need to use. Okay, so first we'll check whether it is installing or not. So it is taking some time, so we'll see the installation guys. I will not pause here. Okay, see, it is done, installation is done now. So next what I have to do, see if I run, what I'll get, I'll check. Okay, okay, I'll go here in my code. Yeah, this is, still running. Okay, it is connected to MongoDB. So see, still it is error because I have not added the things, these guys. I have to add this. Okay, copy it, come here in your code in server.js. Here I'm using guys. So just do one thing guys. Add here. Okay. So here I've used cost. Then next where I have to use. Then this guys app.use. Okay. Just copy it. Come here. Paste it here. So app.use it. Cost is there guys. So here what I will do. Just I will use this. Okay. So then Node API is running on port. Okay. Now we'll check guys whether my error is gone or not. So CRUD update. Oh, you can see guys, now product updated product successfully. So I am able to update the product. If I edit here 1 2 3 update, so you can see guys, because my error gone guys, whatever the error I was getting, that is course error, that gone guys. Okay, so you can see guys, there is no error. This is internet error. Okay, because when I do inspect now, I'm getting this internet is not there and all. Okay, so I'll remove this. Otherwise, I can see in this also. Here I'll not get that internet connection error and all. Okay, so you can see guys, our network error gone. means our course error gone, guys. Now just come here, we'll check here once. Console. Here you can see guys, nothing is there, right? If I want to delete, I can delete also. Or I want to delete, just delete it. You can see guys how I have done create update. You can create from here, okay, and you can update from here. You can delete everything I have done, guys. So this video is coming soon, so stay tuned to channel. And guys, I hope guys you got how we can solve course error in our node. Just do one thing, just go here in course express course middleware, just install it in your backend and then add this guys in your main file, okay. So after that, that problem will get solved. So I hope guys you got. If you have a question or if you did not solve this error, then guys please comment in comment box. I will answer to that. And you know guys, I will read each and every comment and even I reply, okay. Some comments I means sometime I will not reply guys, because if I busy I will not reply. But so guys, if you're liking my videos, then like, share and subscribe to my channel, okay. And our target is guys 10K. So guys, please like करो, share करो and subscribe भी करो. Thank you so much guys, keep supporting guys.